National Weather Service in Missoula has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Clearwater County and north central Idaho until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing hail up to 1 inch in diameter. This storm was located near Osaka, or about 8 miles west of Orofino, and was moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Osaka, Denton, Pekin. Large hail is likely with the severe thunderstorm, along with frequent lightning and heavy rain. For your protection, go indoors and stay away from windows. If you are caught outside, move to a well-protected area. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Clearwater County, Idaho.